Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a passkey in your WhatsApp application. Let's get started. So if you want to create a passkey in your WhatsApp application, so if someone try to access your WhatsApp account, first they have to enter this 4-digit PIN, then only they can access your account. So if you want to enable that feature, what you can do is just simply open up your WhatsApp application, then tap on the three-dotted icon which is on the top left corner of your screen, then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, just tap on accounts, and inside your accounts you will find the second option which is passkey. Just tap on that, and after tapping on that, just tap on create a passkey. And now what you can do is just tap on continue. After tapping on continue, now in order to create a passkey, what you have to do is just simply enter your device fingerprint or your password. So now what I'll do is, instead of entering a pin, so you can always enter a pin by tapping on use pin, but what I'll do is I'll just simply choose my fingerprint. So just enter your fingerprint if you like. After adding the fingerprint here, you can see guys, you have successfully added a passkey in your WhatsApp application. And after doing that, now what you can do is just simply come back, and after coming back, just tap on privacy. After tapping on privacy, just scroll down, and here you can check if this option is turned off. So if this option is turned off, which is apps lock, then you can't access this feature, so just turn on your apps lock. And after turning on your apps lock, just enter the same passkey that you have created, or you can also just enter your fingerprint. After doing that, now if you just open up your WhatsApp application again, now you have to enter the passkey to unlock your account. So I'll just enter the passkey, and here you can see guys, this is how you can add a passkey in your WhatsApp application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.